Sitting position. Sit straight without crossing legs. Hold abacus tightly with your left hand. Place the abacus at least 10 centimeters away from the table edge. Hand movement. Hold the abacus tightly with your left hand. On your left hand, use your forefinger and middle finger. Move the lower beads with your forefinger. Move the upper beads using your middle finger. In case of simultaneous movement of upper and lower beads, use both forefinger and middle finger. On your right hand, use your forefinger and thumb. Move the lower beads up with your thumb. Move the lower beads down with your forefinger. Move the upper beads using your forefinger. In case of simultaneous movement of upper beads and lower beads, use both forefinger and thumb. Example: 2 plus 1. Step 1. Up 2 beads. Step 2. Up 1 bead. Step 3. Count the total beads moved. Example: 1 plus 3. Step 1. Up 1 bead. Step 2. Up 3 beads. Step 3. Count the total beads moved. Example: 3 plus 2. Step 1. Up 3 beads. Step 2. Add 2. As we don't have 2 beads to move, we can add 5 and less 3. That is, 2 equals 5 minus 3. Step 3. Count the beads. Example: 4 plus 5. Step 1. Up 4 beads. Step 2. Add 5. Step 3. Count the beads. Example: 3 minus 1. Step 1. Up 3 beads. Step 2. Down 1 bead. Step 3. Count the total beads remaining. Example: 4 minus 3. Step 1. Up 4 beads. Step 2. Down 3 beads. Step 3. Count the total beads. Example: 6 minus 2. Step 1. Up 6 beads. Step 2. Reduce 2. As there are not enough beads to less 2, add 3 and less 5. That is, 2 equals 5 minus 3. Step 3. Count the beads. Example: 8 minus 4. Step 1. Up 8 beads. Step 2. Reduce 4. As there are not enough lower beads to less 4, add 1 and less 5. That is, 4 equals 5 minus 1. Step 3. Count the beads. Example: 9 minus 2. Step 1. Up 9 beads. Step 2. Down 2 beads. Step 3. Count the beads. Example: 9 minus 4. Step 1. Up 9 beads. Step 2. Down 4 beads. Step 3. Count the beads. Example: 6 minus 4. Step 1. Up 6 beads. Step 2. Reduce 4. As there are not enough beads to less 4, up 1 and less 5. 4 equals 5 minus 1. Step 3. Count the beads.